Go!
Nice shot!
Young girl, don't cry. I'll be funny when your world's not Young girl, it's alright. Your tears will dry. You'll slowly learn to fly.
Nice shot!
When you step inside your room, you take the dream of a place where nothing's harder than it seems. No one ever wants or bothers to explain all the hard things that can bring in what it means when there's no one else beside yourself, like your oldest friend. Just trust the voice within. Then you'll find the strength that will come your way. If you learn to begin to trust the voice within. Young girl, you never change, you just run away. Ooh. Young girl, look sad, and soon you're gonna see your no, we don't worry, the senses quickly clear. It's so hard to stand your ground when you're so afraid. No one's really just had a hand for you to hold. When you're lost in your soul, when there's no one else, look inside yourself, like your oldest friend. Just trust the voice within. When you find the strength,
Huwag ka tumawa! Ang hilang iyak ka! Nandiyan ako eh! Eh, si bakla tawa.